Hello! We will guide you on how to use the Ceragem Master V4's various massage modes. Ceragem Master V4 supports several modes, or just some of the 12 pre-programmed automatic modes available on the Ceragem Master V4. Intensive mode provides a longer, more targeted massage. Semi-automatic and manual modes allow the user to adjust the internal projector to target specific areas. The Master V4 is equipped with 17 unique massage options. Ceragem's spinal scanning technology measures and maps the length of your spine to allow you to easily guide the internal projector to specific locations during manual and semi-automatic modes. Automatic modes. The Ceragem Master V4 offers a variety of pre-programmed massage modes to suit various users for individual conditions and acute needs. To select a specific mode, press the Auto Mode button, then cycle through the options with the up and down buttons. The Master V4 provides a customized spinal thermal massage by measuring the length and curvature of the user's spine. For the most accurate spinal scan, please place your head in the recessed area at the top of the main body mat, above the Ceragem logo while lying supine. During spinal scanning, remain still and relaxed as the internal projector glides along your spine. The newly incorporated meditation mode of the Master V4 is designed to refresh the senses and wipe away the stresses of modern living. Intensive mode. Another exclusive massage mode designed for the Ceragem Master V4 is the intensive mode, designed for users in need of a stronger, more focused massage. Intensive mode has an extended duration of 90 minutes. Upon completion of spinal scanning, a full spinal massage will be performed. The internal projector will run from the coccyx to the cervical vertebrae, from the cervical vertebrae to the coccyx, then return to the cervical vertebrae in a loop repeated 4.5 times. You can direct the concentration of the massage over a desired area by pressing with the up and down buttons to move the internal projector. Manual mode. Manual mode allows you to specify the location of the internal projector for a massage, focused on a particular area of your choice. You can immediately switch to manual mode from any other mode in use by simply pressing on the Manual Mode button. Once in manual mode, move the internal projector by toggling between the up or down buttons to apply soothing heat to a concentrated area. To prevent burns, the internal projector will automatically move after 5 minutes. The product will automatically shut down after 60 minutes of operation. Semi-automatic mode. You can also specify the location for a targeted massage in semi-automatic mode, similar to manual mode. Semi-automatic mode is designed to apply heat and provide strategic spinal stretching in 60-second intervals within a concentrated area by gently lifting the internal projector up and down. Master mode. The Ceragem Master V4 is equipped with patented technology to measure and map the user's spine. Master mode allows you to identify vertebra through a spine number, so you can make the most of automatic and semi-automatic modes. To execute Master mode, press the manual or semi-automatic mode button twice. Then, indicate the spinal number you would like to focus on by toggling the up or down button to move the internal projector to the desired location. A spinal scan will begin to confirm the location, and the selected massage mode will begin. Ceragem is on a ceaseless mission to provide innovative home healthcare appliances for you and your family. Try the Ceragem Master V4's 17 various massage programs. Thank you.